The price of Bitcoin Cash, BCH, has just dropped below the $200 mark. This prompts the question of whether the worst is now behind us. In summary, the price of Bitcoin Cash, BCH, has experienced a decline since June 28 and is currently approaching the $150 level. In early June, the price exhibited a breakout above the aforementioned level. Although the readings for the weekly timeframe exhibit uncertainty, the daily readings indicate a tendency towards bullishness. These readings imply that the price of BCH may soon strike a bottom, if it has not already done so. In spite of the optimistic forecast regarding the price of BCH, the inability to surpass the descending parallel channel would indicate the continuation of a bearish trend, potentially resulting in a decline to $150. The price of Bitcoin Cash, BCH, has experienced a decline subsequent to reaching its peak for the year in the month of June. The price has approached the horizontal support level of $150. Despite the observed fall, an analysis of the daily period presents a promising prospect that the price may have reached its lowest point and is poised for an imminent breakout. The price of Bitcoin Cash is yet to reach its lower range. According to the weekly timeframe technical analysis, it is observed that the price of BCH saw a breakout from a falling resistance line of considerable duration in the month of January. Prior to the occurrence of the breakout, the line had been established and operational for a duration of 623 days. Following an initial period of difficulty in maintaining its upward trajectory, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, experienced a significant spike in June, culminating in the attainment of a new annual peak of $329. Nevertheless, the price has subsequently decreased. The observed decline confirmed the barrier level of $300. In the event that the bearish trend persists, the nearest level of support can be identified at a value of $150. The support area is situated at a level that is 20% lower than the present price. Conversely, a substantial rise of 60% will be necessary in order to attain the aforementioned threshold of $300 once more. The Weekly Relative Strength Index, RSI, yields an indeterminate value. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, serves as a momentum indicator employed by traders to assess the potential overbought or oversold conditions within a market, aiding in the decision-making process of accumulating or selling an asset. Readings over a threshold of 50 and exhibiting an ascending trajectory indicate a prevailing advantage for bulls, whereas readings falling below 50 signify a contrary scenario. Although the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is exhibiting a downward trend, it remains at a level higher than 50. The presence of mixed indications contributes to an indeterminate trend. BCH price projection: is a price breakout imminent? The examination of the daily time period yields a varied perspective. The examination reveals that the price of BCH has experienced a decline within a descending parallel channel subsequent to reaching its annual peak. Typically, these channels encompass corrective motions. Consequently, the most probable future price scenario would involve a breakout from the current situation. On August 17, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, had a rebound at the support line of the channel, shown by the green icon, resulting in the formation of a protracted lower wick. Subsequently, the asset successfully regained the support level at $181, which corresponds to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. Based on the principles of the Fibonacci retracement levels theory, it is postulated that subsequent to a substantial price movement in a particular direction, there is an anticipated tendency for the price to partially revert back to a previous level. The 0.618 Fibonacci level is frequently seen as the point at which corrections tend to conclude. If the price remains consistently above the designated level, it is anticipated that there will be a breakout from the established channel. Under the given circumstances, it is plausible that there may be a 60% surge in the $300 resistance zone. The declining daily relative strength index, RSI, is accompanied by a significant oversold condition, shown by the green circle, which is commonly associated with potential local market bottoms. In the event that the bullish price prediction for BCH does not materialize, It is probable that a decline in value will occur, potentially leading to a breach of the $150 horizontal support level. The region aligns with the support line of the channel in early September, indicating a probable occurrence of contact during this period.
Bitcoin price prediction as BTC rebounds from $26,000 support. Here are significant levels to monitor. Given the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market, the current discourse has once again turned towards the price fluctuations of Bitcoin. In light of a recent decline wherein Bitcoin temporarily reached the support level of $26,000, there is a notable interest among market observers and investors to evaluate the prospective trajectory of the foremost global cryptocurrency. Given this context, it is imperative to examine the significant levels that may have a significant impact on determining the future path of Bitcoin in the upcoming period. The topic of discussion pertains to the current value of Bitcoin on the financial market. Currently, the prevailing value of Bitcoin is $25,992, accompanied with a trading volume of $14.4 billion within a 24-hour period. In the preceding 24-hour period, the value of Bitcoin has undergone a marginal decline of approximately 0.5%. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, now maintains its status as the highest-ranked digital currency in terms of market capitalization, which stands at $505 billion as reported by CoinMarketCap. The current circulating supply of Bitcoin stands at 19,465,118 BTC coins, with a maximum supply limit of 21 million BTC coins, a forecast of Bitcoin's future value. The technical environment of Bitcoin has experienced notable fluctuations in recent periods as a consequence of its decline below the threshold of $29,000. Currently, the cryptocurrency is witnessing a significant decrease, with its value standing at approximately $25,800. The 50-day exponential moving average (EMA) has exerted a notable influence on the trajectory of Bitcoin, as evidenced by recent candle closures that validate a sustained negative momentum. This EMA is positioned around the price level of $27,300. The prevailing resistance level is situated at a value of $26,200. Nevertheless, there are discernible signs of negative sentiment as evidenced by the occurrence of a bearish engulfing candlestick and a 2-day candle pattern below the aforementioned threshold. In the event that this prevailing pattern persists, there is a possibility for the value of Bitcoin to undergo a decline, potentially reaching a range between $25,600 and $25,200. Conversely, breaching the resistance level of $26,200 may result in the